There's a little bit left to do. Let's make a plate that lies under here. We'll turn off sketch 1, which is our layout. We'll make a new plane, so we'll add a construction plane that's offset from this plane by 1/2 inch, and create a new sketch on that plane. Come up 1/4 inch. And now we want to create some cutouts on this plate. We'll open up a new sketch. Turn off body 2 so we can see what's going on. In symmetrical sketches, I like to use center lines. And I want to create a little offset in here. We'll just make a rectangle. .5 is good. 0.5 again. 1 inch. And 1 inch. Now I can grab this window and cut. If you go to transform mirror, it wants you to select the items to mirror, but it will only mirror bodies. Okay, that's an important distinction. Because it will only mirror bodies, we cannot mirror a cutout. We could have made just 1/4 of this plate, but we didn't think ahead that far. So I can remedy this situation easily by going into the extrusion that cut this hole and making this into, instead of a subtract, I make it into a new body. I can go ahead with the mirror. Mirror. Select the item, is that new body that I created, and select the plane. It's this new plane that I've created. And that's good. Now I can do the mirror again. Mirror. Might have to turn off the plate. Shift select the 2 bodies from the items list. Reposition the view so I can select the plane without anything behind it or in front of it, and the mirror happens. And now that I've got these bodies created, I can turn the original body back on, do a tools subtract, select bodies to subtract from. That would be body 6. Select the bodies to subtract will be bodies 7, 7-1, 7-1, and 7-2. Now what's left to add is the rear wheel mount. I'll view this from the right plane and open a sketch here. 2.5. And we'll extrude this. But notice that here it's cutting something out, and we don't want that. We can switch it before we make it. So we'll just say union, and we can take the other side and extrude that the same distance. Now let's turn on that top tube again. And everything is getting very busy here now. So one thing that I can do is sort my items as bodies. And now I can see all the bodies, which ones are on and off. I want body 2 turned back on. Let's merge all of these together using tools, union, body 1, 2, skip over 3 because it was reference. Our next operation is going to be a shell. And we don't want to shell out the plate because that won't work out very well.